Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step beginner's eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. I love you guys, my beginners. So let's just get right into this video. So I'm starting off with obviously nothing on my eyes. We're going to start by priming it, and I feel like this part is crucial if you want your eyeshadow to really pop. So I pretty much use the same concealer I used to clean up my brows so that the concealer really just blends into everything. And yeah, so I just blend that out so that we have a nice even canvas for our eyeshadow today. So first you want to start off by grabbing your brush. You want to start off with a big fluffy brush. So this is the brush that I'm going to be using today. It's super big, fluffy, flexible. This is the kind of brush that you want to use for your transition color. See how it's flexible and it's just very fluffy. That's the type of brush you want to use. So I'm going to start off with this shade here. This is going to be the shade I use as my transition color, and I'm pretty much using circular motions starting on the outer V of my eyes. I really wanted that kind of cat eyeshadow look, so I start off by applying it on the outer V and just using windshield wiper motions to really blend out that color. And I do continue to dip into the palette to just get that intensity. So now I'm moving on to the next brush. This is a more tapered brush, guys. It's a little bit pointed on the tip and it's a lot more slimmer and not much flexibility at all. That is your crease color. This is the color that's gonna go into your crease, and as you guys could see, I chose a more darker shade. When you're working with your crease, you want to use a darker eyeshadow than what you use for your transition. So here I'm just placing it in my crease, and I pretty much outline where my crease is, and now I'm pretty much packing that eyeshadow in the crease. So I'm packing the color on first, and then in a few moments you guys are going to see what I do to pretty much blend it out. And I'm not bringing it far in, I'm just stopping in the middle of my eyes. So I'm going back in with my transition color brush and dipping back into my transition color, and we're pretty much going to diffuse that line of demarcation. That's pretty much what your transition color is for. It's supposed to pretty much help the colors all transition into each other. You don't want there to be any harsh lines between any of the colors that you use, and this part may take a while. It's you just need to really blend. So next we're going in with a flat brush. This is pretty much going to be the brush we're going to use for the shimmer shade that we're going to put on our lids. So I'm taking that shade here, and I'm just going to show you guys. You're pretty much putting it on that open space, your crease, your lid, sorry, and you're pretty much going to just carve out your crease with the brush. You can, if you are a bit more experienced, you can cut your crease with some concealer, but you pretty much achieve the same look. So I'm pretty much using my brush to cut out my crease and just apply this shimmer shade all over my lids. And as you guys could see, I'm swiping that shimmer shade. I feel like when you swipe it, it comes out more sheer and just a lot better. So I'm going in with my transition color and just pretty much making sure that they are blended together seamlessly. I want them to pretty much blend into each other, and I want my outer V to be more defined. So last step, guys, you just want to make sure that everything, all your colors are blended together. I took my first brush, the fluffy brush that I use for my transition color, and that's pretty much it for the top portion of the eyes. So I don't usually show how I apply my eyelashes, so here's just a little clip on how I apply my lashes. I do have a tutorial on my channel, guys. I'll leave it in the cards above. So we're moving on to the bottom portion. I'm taking what we call a pencil eyeshadow brush. So I'm dipping into the two colors that I use, and we're pretty much applying that to our bottom lash line. I kind of was out of focus, guys, but you get the drift. You're pretty much applying those. And then just for some pop of color, this is optional, guys, I'm taking a detailer brush and just a very white light eyeshadow. We're just going to put that in our inner tear duct, and that pretty much completes the eyeshadow look. It brings everything together. So that's it before, and this is it complete. A very natural, quick, easy eyeshadow tutorial for beginners, guys. I hope I explained everything. Let me know how I did. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want more of these types of eyeshadow tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. If you are new as well and haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.